Hello, my name is Pastor Themba Hleko. I'm so excited and humbled to be sent in this place with so many challenges. The community is less privileged. We have seen the work of the Lord by having a preschool here. We have seen the ICPC team helping us to establish a preschool, and we have employed 3 people here. And there is that enjoyment within themselves as they are getting something at the end of the month. And we are so much excited, even the kids that have been given this opportunity to study here. Indeed, they are happy because the team or the ICPC provides with food, and they are eating. And we were like, what are these people gonna wear? But the team as well is buying uniform for them. And that is very, very important in our soul, because people are coming up and down now wanting to come here because they see the impact that is being done by the ICPC churches here.
My impact is to grow the future of the young ones. They must have a strong foundation when they reach their age to go to school. They must have a proper foundation. They must not be afraid of anything in the school.
Boy. Beko. Yes, today we are going to write those names. This name's start with letter. This name's start with letter. This sound.
The kids in this area are good. They are good in learning. They also know how to participate in everything. But we have those who are slow learners. After break, when they are finished eating, we take a chance to teach the slow learners.
I thank God for the places we have visited. Their house is a little bit cracking. The husband died a long time ago, but she's happy for us to be here.
Ngafika la esontweni bengibangela ukhathatekile empilweni. Shothi umyeni wami wahamba ngabona nga-2006. Angabi nako ukuthula empilweni. Ngishiyeke nebantwana labancane. Hlanhlaleni yaNkulunkulu. Kwase kuba nanalibandla-ke. uNkulunkulu ngiyambonga kakhulu. Labantwana nabo labe ngibafundisa bona labesikole ngihlupheka nabo. Labanye bacedzile sekuselela ababili nabo. Ngenhlanhlaleni wasuyangisiza umfundisi ngithathela munye. Ngithi mase ngidibene netinkinga bese ngivuka ngathi ngiyahluleka endleleni. Kanti nginesimo ngisuke sengibhekene naso. Ngingathi ukuthi bantwana ngidabathi njalo bengihlaselekile nje ngilakula esikolweni. Ngikuthi-ke uNkulunkulu uyathi konke ngishiya kuye kude lomnyela ngangisida ngaphandle kwakhe. And futhi ngidawuphila nebantu abami badawuphila nalale bafunza badawucetha njalo kusebafika ekugcineni. Ngibonge nokuthi libandla lihleli isiphosa nangaloko kudla netimpahla. So la ngishiya lo babe labantu abami angazi ngisengene esitolo ngibathengele impahla. uNkulunkulu ngentela umusa ngabo. Ngiyabonga-ke kakhulu nakubazalwane. Labanye bebahle bathi khandla ngami. Ukhanze abantwana babaphile leto timbahlana nabo. Nalothando le bahle banginiketa lona. Ngiyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Lemsebenzi yakhe la yentile kimi.
I would like to thank Challenge Ministries for everything they done for us.